Hello my dear students. In previous video we have discussed rules for combining arguments in Python functions, and in that rules we have discussed first we should have positional argument and then keyword argument. Then keyword argument should be taken from the required argument preferably, and third, you cannot specify a value for an argument more than once. Now let us discuss one example for the question of finding errors. Here we are having one function with the name interest, which is taking four arguments: principal, CC, time and rate. You can observe here time and rate are default argument. Now in the first function call, here we are having interest. This is the function name, that's why we have called it with the function name interest. Principal equals to 3000, CC equals to 5. Now here in this example, principal and CC are keyword argument. Here we have not used any positional argument. So when function is called, principal will have 3000 value, CC will have 5 value, and there is default value for time and rate. That's why this is legal statement, okay, with no error. Reason: non-default values provided as named argument. We have provided name argument for these values. In second, interest rate equals to 0.12, principal 5000, CC equals to 4. Now here keyword argument can be used in any order. Here first we have passed the value for rate, then principal and then CC. We can change the order by using keyword argument. That's why this is legal function call statement. In third, interest CC equals to 4, rate equals to 0.12, principal equals to 5000. Okay, with keyword argument we can give the values in any order. Here also we have used the different order. That's why it is legal statement. Then in fourth, interest 5003, rate 0.05. You can observe here, first of all we have used positional argument. 5000 will be value for principal, 3 will be value for CC, rate we are passing the value for rate, so it will not use 0.09, it will use 0.05, and we have not passed the value for time, it will take default value 2. Okay, that's why this is legal statement, and here it is following the rule positional argument before keyword argument. Now just observe next function call. Here interest rate equals to 0.05, 5000 comma 3. It is illegal because keyword argument before positional argument. You can see here this is keyword argument and these are positional argument, and what the rule says, first we should have positional argument and then keyword argument. That's why it is illegal function call. Then in next, interest 5000, principal equals to 300, CC equals to 2. Here it will have multiple values provided for principal. See here, first this 5000 value will be copied in principal, and again we are passing principal equals to 3000. Okay, so that's why it will give error multiple values for principal. So this is illegal statement. Then in next, interest 5000, principal equals to 300 comma CC equals to 2. This is also illegal statement because here undefined name use principal. Just see here in function definition there is a argument name is prin, and here for keyword argument we have used different name, complete word principal. So that's why it will give an error and it is illegal statement. Then in last example, interest 500 comma time equals to 2, rate 0.05. This is also illegal statement because here a required argument CC is missing. You can see 500 will be value for principal, time 2, here it will take the value for time, rate 0.05, it will take value for rate. So here we are having value for principal, time and rate, but there is no value for CC. That's why it is illegal statement and it will give an error. So this way the program may be given in which a function call statement is not following the rules for combining argument, then you have to identify the error and you have to correct it.